What's up, guys? We're here working on a 2000 model Chevrolet S10. Recently we've lowered this truck. We didn't get the video just yet, but what we're working on today is putting a set of air horns on this truck. Already got the toggle switches inside the bed hooked up and everything, got our compressor. We just went to the store, we had to get some welding wire, we had to get some air hose, and there's what you see. So hopefully it's going to turn out good today. Oh yeah, and we got a big piece of metal too we're going to cut to make us a bracket to put on the top. Redneck way of living.
This is the supplies we got. Air horn from I don't know where. It was donated. And air compressor that was donated too. This stuff wasn't donated. We had to pay for that out of pocket. So let's just jump into it. And yeah, ain't much more I can say. So we do got the oxygen and acetylene tank in the bed of the truck. The welder's on the ground, as you guys can see. And we just made a bracket. Oh no, we actually gonna mount this on the roof of this truck somewhere like this. So you guys gonna get to see how that bracket goes onto that truck in the most hackish, hideous way. What we're gonna do is let Pride more angle that the way he wants it. Then we're gonna sharpie it out, grind it down with a grinder, the roof, remove the bracket that we set up there, and weld it on. You want it straight or at an angle. So we found placement of the bracket somewhat. It's straight enough. Let's go ahead and trace it out. Now, you can do your vehicle a different way if you put air horns on it, but either way, you're still most likely going to have to build a bracket. Now that that's done like that, we're going to grind that whole spot off so we can weld to it. Well, at least grind the edges here. Now if everything's done correctly, this will set here. So go ahead and grab your welding hammer, put it on. Safety glasses always. Put your ground on this, hold it steady. Make sure it's straight. Straight-ish, it's good enough. Now you want to make sure everything is straight. So this is the product after it's welded. It's cooling off, but we're going to take some all-in-one primer and just spray it down. And then we're going to go over it with some black. And where this is extremely hot, this primer should dry extremely quick. Oh yeah, it's dry and you can see it cooking. Probably cook an egg on this. And the more primer you put on it, the more these little pits that you made in the welding process, you fill up. So we just go ahead and prime all this. And then we'll paint it black here in about 30 minutes. But we still got to drill holes for the mounting hardware and a few more odds and ends. As you guys can see, we drew some paint on this. We held up the bracket to this and just sprayed some paint through the holes. Now we're going to drill the holes out so we can mount this and make it look, you know, semi-nice. So now we got the holes drilled. We're going to mount this thing up, make it all nice and pretty. Basically what you want to do is line the hose up, put your washer in a bolt. You got some bolts, washer. Same on this side, bolt and washer. Now we're going to actually use a lock washer on the back of this. And maybe if I got some Loctite, we'll put some Loctite on it for added safety.
Boy, he puts Loctite on everything.
So we're going to take some Loctite, put it on the back of these threads here. So when we tighten it up, they ain't going to back off. We are going to use lock washers and everything. So now that we got this all mounted up, let's add some paint. And you know, if you add a lot of paint, it fills in all the imperfections and it'll eventually dry. Let's make this a, there we go, there we go. Looks amazing. So it's starting to look good. Next we gotta run a compressor, drill some holes in the roof, and a couple more good things, but one step's out of the way. The only bad thing about this, guys, when doing this is we kind of went through the headliner, but that's okay. Duct tape fixed the headliner, so go ahead and Now we can put an L line through and some of the wires. So what we're going to do now is just feed this down through, and we can add silicone to it here soon. Hey, Pradmore, you want to get in there and pull your headliner down and feed this to where you need to put it?
Sure. Keep on going. You ain't hitting the hole, sir.
I am in the hole. You see it going down?
Yeah, but there's another hole you gotta go through.
Oh, well, it ain't got no hell on it, so. Let's see. That a second hole?
No.
Oh, fuck it. Feed something up through it.
James, I can't get to it.
That gotta be hit.
Wait.
That hit?
Nope.
Okay. Yeah, he'll feed that through the carpet. Now, your turn to find the hole, Pradmore. Show us that Pradmore ability. Don't put it through the headliner. That look kind of, well, that'd be putting a hole to use, wouldn't it?
It's going somewhere, but I don't know where it's going, James.
It ain't going out that hole. So we got it. So this will go in here like so, guys, and hook up straight. This ain't a how-to video. I mean, you can take it as a how-to video if you want to, but we're just bringing you along for L1 install. Then you snug it down and don't over tighten it. There we go. Now we just take a little wrench to it, snug it up, and now where you want your motor at, Pradmore?
My compressor. Right there, son.
Okay, go ahead and set it in place. Do you want this welded to the floorboard, or
No, I'm just setting it in here.
you just setting it in there? Okay.
For another day.
Don't want it bolted or nothing?
Nope.
Okay. Good enough holes.
Yes.
Everybody likes drilling holes, though. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I bet you didn't think it turned out this good, but it looks pretty cool. I guess we could add more through the top. Let us know in the comment section if you like to see about 4 or 5 more of these all the way across the top of this truck. You know what? Something we'd love to see in the comments. Give us your input and ideas. So, if you want to see more, be sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, leave a comment. See you next time. Thanks for watching.